These days, almost no one carries a lot of cash because it's become so convenient to use plastic, but there's nothing convenient about paying extra just to use your credit card at a small store. Watch what we found when we went undercover. Not many people carry cash these days. No cash? No problem, right? At thousands of stores, restaurants, and mini markets in Southern California, you can use your credit card to buy something as inexpensive as a bottle of water. But have you ever been told you can't use your credit card because you haven't spent enough?
I don't know minimum.
He did?
No, I don't know minimum.
Oh, you don't have cash? No. Okay, almost 20 years.
KTLA found some stores and restaurants require a $5 or $10 purchase before you can use a credit card, a move in violation of the contract with most credit card companies. But business owners we talked to said the fees they have to pay on credit card sales can be higher than their profits on those sales.
No, I don't know minimum.
Why not?
Because we're paying percentage to MasterCard.
Well, in every purchase, we have to pay the minimum plus a transaction fee of a percentage. It really is determined from how much sales you have, what is your agreement with the credit card company, anywhere from 35 cents to 50 cents.
These fees really hurt the small business person.
Harvey Rosenfield is the founder of Watchdog.org, a consumer protection group. He says most people don't realize when they use a credit card instead of cash, someone pays a fee. If it's the merchant, that's legal. But if it gets passed on to you, the customer, directly, it's not okay. Here's why.
Under California law, it's against the law for merchants to put a surcharge for a credit card transaction. If these merchants try to bill the consumer extra, charge the consumer extra to use a credit card, that's unlawful.
Well, there's an extra 35 cents. I don't have any cash. But there's definitely an extra 35 cents if I use my credit card.
That means a 35-cent fee imposed to pay with a credit card on a purchase under $10 is illegal. A fact this business owner did not seem to realize.
Well, the rules do say no minimums, no extra fees if you have this machine.
Well, a lot of rules, they point that out, but unfortunately, not everything goes by the rules.
Cafe Bolivar in Santa Monica now accepts credit cards after a long fight with the credit card companies, but the owner does not charge the customer any extra fees or minimums.
The language that they use and the percentages, I mean, they were all over the place. They could never give us a straight answer.
You feel like you're fighting David versus Goliath when it's you versus the credit?
Well, we did for 7 years, you know, like a man until we gave in.
I'll take 2 Madeline.
For Carvajal, a bad economy meant more people wanted to use credit instead of cash.
I mean, more people that were coming, and they don't carry cash. And a lot of times, I mean, we have to turn them away.
More credit cards, more fees. And some business owners feel they're the ones being bullied.
No matter how you do it, they're going to get their money because it's like a monopoly. It's like a mafia. You got to go through either Visa or MasterCard. You have no other choice.
And you're a small business owner trying to make a living.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck.
So here's the deal. If a business charges you a fee to use your credit card, that's illegal, and you could take that business to small claims court. If a store requires you to spend a minimum amount to use your credit card, they're violating an agreement they made with a credit card company. Either way, you should not have to pay extra to use your card.
Okay, but what do you do if you're at the register and they tell you that? I mean, what's your recourse right then and there?
Since we've researched this story, I've called them out and said, you're breaking the law.
Yeah.
And they start backtracking just a little bit.